We are pleased to show you the 2022 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.